Yo, what's up guys?
What's up guys, we're back for another video, giving you guys a brand new vlog video for you guys. So today we're making spicy chicken balls. You get these from Oporto, they're very good. So we're gonna have a taste test. We ordered Oporto's and we're gonna rush Aim's cooking. So Oporto's spicy chicken balls or hers. And I'll give you the result.
We are making spicy chicken balls. So apparently last year, KFC leaked its fried chicken recipe online. They used so 30 something kind of spices to make their fried chicken. So today we're going to remake their chicken balls. We only use a few of spices that is necessary. First, we've got a box of chicken. We're going to soak the chicken first. I love to use the chicken thigh and okay, with all meat stuff, you always soak them first. After we soak the chicken, we're going to mix all the spices. So, in the meanwhile, we have Oporto delivered. These are the spice chicken balls that we're going to remake. They came in fresh. That's $5.15. Oporto is actually pretty good. Look, actually real chicken. Chop the chicken evenly into little dice. Now the next step, we're going to season the chicken. So I'm going to see that. We're going to leave this in the fridge for half an hour. We're going to use half plain flour and half cornstarch. So 1 cup of plain flour, equal amount, 1 cup of cornstarch. Then we throw the rest of the spices in. Add a little bit salt. And mix it. We are going to use some vodka. Okay. Now, fill up the bowl. Oh wow. The only thing that I probably would change next time if I make this again, instead of adding water into the flour, you just use buttermilk. Okay, now this is our frying station. Waiting for the oil to heat up. And it's better to have the rag and then baking paper on the bottom of the tray so that all the oil will just drip inside. It's easier to clean. I have my long chopsticks so that I don't hurt myself. Pretty sure. Let's try one. Oh my god, so good. Now we know that it works. So if the oil is hot enough, then they won't stick to the bottom. We learn to do it one by one. You just have to be patient. Listen to this. That's spicy chicken balls.
Welcome back and channel. So we're tasting the ants spicy chicken balls. So it's gonna be spicy, but
Did you hear that?
it's spicy. A bit burnt. A 7 out of 10.
Wolfie, what do you think?
Fucking can't have a dog chicken.
Is Oporto 10 out of 10? So mine's 7 out of 10.
Not bad.
I give you my conclusion. For $5.15, $5.15, fucking order them. Chicken. My chicken balls actually taste really good. Like it's very addictive. You can't stop eating them. For all that you have to do to come up with this, just go buy it from Oporto. It's only $5.15. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. It's the same method if you want to make Kentucky Fried Chicken. I would still recommend to buy them from KFC. There's a lot of work you have to do and the mess that you have to make. But if you are really bored, at least you know your oil is clean.